Hi guys! Welcome to PageFly video tutorials series, which will be uploaded regularly weekly on Thursday and Friday. In today's video, you'll learn how to use the product Add to Cart element in PageFly. The product Add to Cart is designed to present the Add to Cart button for any product. This element is a must-have for any product listed on a page. When visitors click on this button, it will automatically add a product to their cart. Here is the PageFly page editor. You can find Product Add to Cart element by going to the left toolbar, click Add Shopify element. Product Add to Cart element is the third element from bottom up in product category. Click this and drag and drop it onto your page editor. In the product page, if you add a product Add to Cart inside product details, it will be automatically assigned to this product. If you add this element outside product details, there are two options for product source you can choose in the General tab. Product Add to Cart is automatically assigned to the product you assigned before to this product page. If you want to add another product to cart, choose Custom Product. And click plus sign here to choose the product you want. Click Select Product. If you're in a regular page, when you add a product Add to Cart outside product details, product source is disabled. You need to choose a custom product you want to add to the cart. Now I will show you features that help you customize the product Add to Cart button. Go ahead to General tab. You can see after Add to Cart action option. This option helps you direct the button to any page you want. If you choose Stay on the same page, the cart will be updated. You are still on this page. Or you can go to the cart page, checkout page, or other page you want after clicking the button. Choose the custom link option, and you just need to paste the URL link of the page in here. Scroll down, you can see some customization options with text. With the button text option, you can customize your button text by entering any content you want. With the adding text option, the text will show when a product is being added to cart. With the added text option, the text will show when a product was added successfully. And with the sold out text option, the text will show when a product is sold out. Enable this button if you want to show an icon with the Product Add to Cart button, and customize it. Now go to the Styling tab. In this tab, you can set up styles for normal state and hover state of the button. With the normal state, I will adjust padding to change the button size. Set the text font to Lato font and change the font size and bold the text. Switch to hover state. I will change the background color to red. Now click Publish. And live view to see how it works. Now I will show you how to create a dynamic checkout button. I have a product Add to Cart button here. And now I want to add a Buy It Now button. To do this, we need to use the HTML/liquid element here, drag and drop it inside the product detail. Note that, you have to add this element inside the product details element, with option combined variant turned on. And then go to the General tab, click Open Code Editor. Paste this code and click Save and Close. Now you can click Publish and Live View to see on your live page. This is the end of the tutorial. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful future content. Don't forget to leave us any questions in the comments section below or reach us via our 24/7 app live chat for further assistance. To learn more about PageFly, Check out other video tutorials and visit our help center. Thank you for watching. See you next time.